For konsulta pang medisina, here's Dr. Noel Husay Laksamana.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at sa lahat ng ating mga friends, mga kaibigan na nakatune in ngayon sa ating programa, Konsulta pang Medisina. So, it's time for us to make kwento about the eyes kasi wala naman akong guest ngayon.
Alright.
So, or if you've got questions na tungkol sa medisina o sa katawan ninyo na kaya ko sagutin, sasagutin ko na rin. But my main specialty is sa mata. Ano po, our birthday celebrants for this March. We'd like to greet them bago tayo magpatuloy. Si Dr. Luella Aquino. Ang birthday niya po ay sa March 20 at saka si Dr. Carlos Velches sa March 25.
Okay.
They're both practicing sa Our Lady of Lourdes.
Happy birthday sa inyo. Alright.
At last week, ang dami nagtatanong sa akin sa ating text line kung ano ang pwede silang mag-apply sa Lourdes. Ang opening ngayon, we are in need of dialysis nurses. So if you're interested, mag-apply lang po kayo. Bring your resume. Even nurses na wala pang experience, bibigyan namin ng experience doon. Yeah. So
that's nice.
Just text in, ha? Ang hotline ng Lourdes is 222-9011-213. So 222-9011-213. Ito, ha? Or our email address is ollimc@yahoo.com. Yung ollimc is Our Lady of Lourdes International Medical Center. Yung acronym lang nun para madaling tandaan. At si Miss Tina ay may pinapa-announce na every Sunday daw at 4 p.m. may mass sa ating hospital. Okay.
Anong oras yun, Doc? Every Sunday po yun, ano?
4 p.m.
Yeah.
So, you can join us kung may katanungan kayo about your eyes or any part of your body na kaya natin sagutin. We'll try to answer them. Ang number ko po, ang hotline natin this morning is 0920-90-99937.
Okay, so start texting. Topic natin is eye care. Anything and everything about the eyes.
Yeah, hindi. Ngayon paalala, public awareness. Summer is at the doorsteps. Nandiyan na, no? Dumadami na naman po yung incidents ng conjunctivitis or sore eyes. Ang sore eyes po ay generic term sa mata na mapula, may discharge, at medyo may discomfort. Anything that is uncomfortable sa mata, sore eyes, kadalasan mapula yan. May inflammation, ano? But there are three basic, kung i-categorize natin yan, tatlong uri yan. Yung dalawang general muna, infectious or non-infectious. Doon muna tayo sa non-infectious. Ang non-infectious, dalawa. Pwede mechanical at saka allergic. Yung mechanical, kapag nasundot, nakusot ang mata, pupula yan at saka ma-irritate. Or trauma, nasuntok, nasiko or what. And yung allergic naman, ang cause nun ay hindi bacteria, kundi yung immunologic reaction upon exposure to some allergens like dust, pollen, and what have you, or allergens, yung mga house dust mites. Now, yun yung non-infectious. Ang infectious naman, pag sinabing infectious, ibig sabihin nun, nakakahawa. I try to emphasize the hawa kasi doon sa amin sa Pampanga, nakakaawa.
Different meaning na bago dahil because of the
of the H lang.
Inability to say the H letter.
Kahapon nga kumakanta kami, Rico J. Habang nag-opera kasi kami, kumakanta kami. Ang awit ay yung alaala, yung memories ni Barbara Streisand na ginawa. Hala-hala.
Naging hala-hala, no? Muntik na maging halaya, Doc, ha?
Anyways, ito yung mga nakakahawa, infectious type na conjunctivitis. Actually, tatlong agents na naman nandyan. Nandyan yung tinatawag na bacterial conjunctivitis, which is very common. At yung mas common pa, yung viral conjunctivitis. At yung nakikita natin, usually associated with corneal problems and fungal keratoconjunctivitis. So, yun ha. Tatlong agents yun. Now, pag ang pasyente ay mapulang mata at may discharge, huwag kayong basta gagamit ng gamot na ginamit ni Maria na kapitbahay. No? Dahil maaring ibang sore eyes yung meron siya. yung iba kasi pupunta sa drugstore, sabihin, Ale, ano ba yung gamot sa sore eyes? Bibigyan na lang. Pag minsan, viral conjunctivitis, meron ng corneal ulcer due to herpes simplex 1 or fungal keratitis, bibigyan ng eye drop na may halong steroids. Pag may steroids yan, that will aggravate the condition. It can lead even to corneal ulceration, corneal melt, and even blindness. So, just to be sure, see your eye doctor. Punta kayo sa pinakamalapit yung eye doctor.
Naalala ko, Doc, na pag-aaralan namin yan nung high school eh.
Yes.
Yan yung tinatawag daw na drug misuse. Naalala ko pa sa exam namin, pinasulat pa kami, write examples of drug misuse. Ayan, there you go. That's one example.
Ito, ang kwan ko, again, ang number ko ay 0920-90-99937. You can ask. So, now, how do you prevent conjunctivitis? The best way to prevent conjunctivitis is frequent hand washing. Bakit anong kinalaman hand washing sa mata? Sabi ng marami, no? Kamay, yung guhugas. Yes.
Yeah.
Kung titingin, by just looking alone, hindi po makakahawa ng sore eyes kung nagtitinginan lang.
Yeah.
Pero,
hindi nakakuha sa tingin.
Pero kung yung may sore eyes ay bumahin at nabahinan ka, maaari ka mahawa. Kung may sore eyes ay nakipag-shake hands ka at nakusot mo yung mata mo, mahahawa ka. Yung boyfriend mo may sore eyes, nag-kissing kayo, ayan, pwede mahawa.
Dahil maaring dumikit yung mata sa mata.
No, not the mata. Yung fluids
yung
galing sa mata, naput sa
around your face. Yeah.
Oropharynx sa saliva, and you can transfer it. Pwede. So, ganun ha. At so yun yung best way to good hygiene is initial step. Pag meron ng batang o family member na may sore eyes na sa bahay, avoid sharing personal items like towels, pillowcase, blankets, and frequent hand washing. By looking alone or staring at the eye of a patient with sore eyes, hindi ho magkakos ng conjunctivitis. Ayan, ha? Ito, may mga dumarating ng mga questions dito. Ha? Unahin muna natin ito sa mata. Doc, diabetic ang papa ko. Nanlalabo. Why is it like that? Sabing ganon. Kasi sabi, a few months ago, wala namang cataract. Nagpa-check up kami yesterday, sabi naman, cataract naman. Ano kaya talaga? Rosa Reglan. Miss Reglan, yung mata ng tao may diabetes. Ika nga, sinasabi ng mga kaibigan natin diabetologists, kapag may diabetes ka, madaling tumanda ang mga cells mo sa katawan, ang mga tissues mo. And the eye is one of them. It's one of the most affected. Yes, in a few days or sometimes in a few hours, cataract may develop. Pwede pong nangyari yun. Kanya baka a few months before, wala. Ngayon may cataract na siya. A patient with diabetes, ang laging tinatamaan dyan, 3 organs. Yung mata, yung bato, and all the rest. Pati puso kasama na, pati paa, ha? Now, kanya lang, life-changing talagang dyan would be yung sa mata at saka yung sa bato, ha? Talagang ramdam yan. So, what do I recommend? Kapag ang tao ay may diabetes, the moment you're diagnosed as a case of diabetes, magpa-check kayo kaagad. Why? Because diabetic retinopathy is the #1 cause of irreversible blindness sa mga pasyenteng nakikita ko. Which is preventable. Kung nakita mas maaga yon, then probably hindi nasira yung retina, nasave pa yung mata. Now, kapag ang tao ay mayroong diabetes at may cataract na, have that cataract removed. Pa-replace niyo, papalitan ng intraocular lens yan. And the procedure takes only about 7 minutes.
Bilis lang, ha?
Mabilis lang.
7 minutes.
So the patient is awake, yung anesthesia, pinapatak lang, walang tayo, walang takipamatayin, you go home immediately. Pag mabait ang pasyente, 5 minutes, pwede. Ha? Pag cooperative, So, huwag niyo nang masyadong patigasin pa yan, indayin yan. The moment na sinabi ng doctor may cataract, pwede yung patanggal. have it removed habang malambot pa. Huwag niyong hintayin tumigas at kumapal pa yan. Now, yung likod naman ng mata, yung retina, kapag nagkakaroon po ng tinatawag na proliferative changes or advanced non-proliferative states, maaari nang i-laser yon and ipa-laser nyo kagad sa inyong doctor. So they'll do pan-retinal photocoagulation just to save the eye. And according to the studies na ginawa ng American Academy of Ophthalmology, way back in 1996, they found out na early intervention and early laser treatment of patients with diabetic retinopathy nasasave pa yung eyesight up to 95%.
So,
nang natitirang pa rin. Yes. So,
nasasave naman
early
pala.
intervention is the key.
Diabetic retinopathy.
Yes. So, ayan ha.
Basta ma-check na maaga, Doc, no?
Yes. Okay, questions are coming in. 0920-90-99937. Good morning, I'm Scarlett from Barreto. Ask ko lang po kung anong brand ng coffee green extract na gamit ni Doc for weight loss. Salamat. No, it was introduced to me. It's called Javita. Actually, multi-level marketing yata yun eh.
Javita.
It's yung extract, yung active ingredient no, yung is Cambogia, Garcinia Cambogia. Good morning. So that I hope that answers your question, Scarlett. It's Garcinia Cambogia yung ano. Pero yung brand ng coffee is Javita. Good morning, DJ at Doc. Gusto ko pong itanong kung ano ang ibig sabihin kapag di namin po ang gamot ng buo. Lumabas. Nag-take ako ng gamot ng pang-kidney. Alkalka. Okay, ang gamot. Buo pong lumabas. Sorry po. Wala pong kinalaman sa subject ngayong araw. Okay. Ibig sabihin, isa lang po. Hindi natunaw yung gamot na yun. I think it's yung alkalka na yun, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, mga para sa mga electrolytes.
Electrolytes.
Good morning, Doc. Masama po ba ang pag nakatulugan yung contact lens at pag inaraw-araw ang gamit? Masama po. In fact, I do not recommend contact lens wear. Kasi ang dami ko po nakikita dito sa area natin, Olonga po, Zambales area, Bataan area, nagko-contact lens. Yung isa kong pasyente, she's been wearing contact lenses for 15 years. Papasok pa lang siya na early 40s ngayon. One day gumising siya, meron siyang corneal ulcer, mapula at nagka-ulcer yung mata niya. Unfortunately, nasa gitna. So the scar is permanent and that ulcer will stay, that scar will stay with her for life na. So I recommend kung kayo may grado at ayaw nyo magsalamin, mag-undergo kayo ng laser eye correction. It is less expensive than magpa-brace ng ngipin. So, mas mahal pa magpa-brace kaysa sa mag-undergo ng laser eye correction. And in my book, in my experience, it is safer than contact lens wearing. So, yun ang namin, yun ang aking advice. Huwag na mag-contact lenses. Much more so kung itutulog mo yan. At pag natulog ka naman ng walang contact lens, ayon sa mga kwento ng mga pasyente ko na nagko-contact lens, kapag nanaginip naman sila, klaro din ang tingin nila. Even without contact lens,
klaro pa rin.
Sa panaginip, ha?
Hindi kailangang lentihan.
So you don't need contact lenses, ha? Oo.
Ako rito, ang dami ko rin nakikita. Merong na-infect. Meron yung akala niya nagdikit yung contact lens daw. Kasi namamaga eh. Yung pala, wala na yung contact lens. Talagang namaga na lang.
Namaga na, yun na.
Tanggal siya ng tanggal, wala na siya
pala.
matanggal. Natanggal na pala.
Inang kon eh. Ito naman, sabi niya, Doc, totoo ba na masama mag-barbecue kapag may contacts? Kasi, nabasa ko at napanood sa YouTube, nasunog ang mata dahil sa pag-barbecue. How true? Hindi naman yun. Exage yung naka-report doon. Kahit hindi kayo nagba-barbecue, huwag kayo mag-contacts. Yan po ha.
Yung constant, laging nasa harap sa init.
Good morning, Doctor. I was listening to you last week. Nakalimutan kong itanong kay Dr. Beverly Aguila ang minimum amount of water na dapat inumin. Juliet Kainin. Ang ganda ng pangalan niya.
Juliet
Kainin.
Parang bulaga lang, no? Kainin, eat bulaga.
Eat bulaga.
Kainin bulaga.
Juliet, we're not making fun of your, Juliet, Ang sabi ni Doktora, at least 8 full glasses or more. Kasi mainit sa Pilipinas, you can take more.
Kung lalagpas sa 8, mas maganda.
Oo. Ito, good morning, Dr. Husay. Ang aking mata, hindi pantay. +1 ang grado ng right at +4 ang grado ng kaliwa. Hirap ako mag-salamin at nahihilo often times. Lalo na po kapag nagbabasa. Hindi ba magagawa ng paraan ito? Doming, 45 years old. Doming, nagagawa na po namin ng paraan niya para mapantay yung ayun si Doming daw. Blood sugar niya raw is normal, 120. Hindi normal yan, Doming. Mataas yan. Pa-check niyo po yung nowadays ang level na dapat would be 100 level. Hindi maganda ma-examine yung mata mo and may paraan na para mapantay yung grado niyan. Oo. And nowadays, in fact, we're able to make people see clearer, near and far, even without glasses. May paraan na.
Because of the lens na
alam mo, may kikwento ako.
pinapalit.
May kikwento ako. Ang Lourdes kasi, bumili tayo ng MRI, yung magnetic resonance imaging. Alam mo, high-tech itong makina na to, no? Galing pa Amerika yan. Ang nag-i-install niyan ay engineer na galing din sa Amerika. Nilalagay nila. At kasalukuyan sila nag-i-install. Ngayon, patapos ng installation, pumasyal siya sa clinic. Bago mag-installation, nakita niyo yung pasyenteng ino-opera natin sa clinic, sa International Eye Center. At nagtanong siya, pwede ba ako? Sabi niya, kasi hindi ako makabasa na malapit. Sa malayo, meron konting grado rin. Sabi ko, why not? Tingnan natin. After a few days, ang gawin yung trabaho niya dito, siguro nahirapan na siya nakasalamin. Makapal he's 56 Sabi ng Amerikano, bukas puntahan kita. And yesterday, nagpunta nga sa clinic, nagpa-opera, in-opera ko. At tinatanong kung pwede siya magtrabaho ngayon. Sabi ko, yes, pwede. And sa awa ng Diyos, okay naman. So, it's already possible. At si Mang Doming, 45, pwede po yun. We can do that. Ito naman, Carlisle. Good day, I'm Doc Noel and DJ W. No, this is DJ Tom ang kasama ko.
Tommy G!
Tommy G stands for Tommy Guapo. Tommy Galante.
Kayo nagsabi niyan, sir, ha?
Tommy Galante. Tommy G.
Dati may nagtanong sa akin, sabi, hi DJ, balita ko yung G mo raw gahasa. Sabi niya ganun. Sabi ko, hindi po.
Hindi po, ginahasa po.
But I like that.
Ginahasa. Naging victim ka na ba nun?
I wish.
I wish. Calling all. Ito si Raymond sabi, Doc, napa-trouble ako one night doon sa, sinabi niya yung bar. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung bar, ha? At suntok yung left eye ko. Nagkaroon po ng pula yung puti ng mata ko. Kalahati. Parang, parang bola ng billiards. Pero red, gano'n. Instead na black.
So, number 3 yun. Kasi 3 red
pag naging magiging number 8 yan. Pag naging black, di ba?
Naging black, 8.
Hindi naman po lumabo ang tingin ko. Pero nako-conscious ako. Sabi, conscious, hindi conscious. Nako-conscious ako sa aking looks. Pwede bang mabulag kapag nasuntok ang eyes? The answer is yes. Ang mata kasi natin, it's a very, very fragile, closed system yan.
Yeah.
You've got the lens, which is suspended by fine filaments, which we call the lensonules. Then we have the retina, which is attached to the choroid sa likod ng mata, which acts like a film. And in between, you have the vitreous gel, na doon yung parang gel sa loob ng mata, which fills in the space, At sa harap, meron tinatawag na aqueous humor, yung fluid sa harap ng lens. At ito po ay nagsisilbing balanse palagi. Kapag ang isang bagay ay na-trauma, kunyari na untog, nasuntok or what, pwedeng mapunit, pwedeng magkaroon ng lens dislocation, pwedeng magkaroon ng retinal detachment. So mas maganda, kahit sa tingin mo, hindi nagbago yung paningin mo, go to your nearest eye doctor. At ikaw ay, taga-ano ka naman Subic, sino daw pwede malapit sa kanila? Si Doktora Mia Labrador is siya. Every Friday nandyan sa Lourdes. Puntahan ninyo, ha? Kasi tinanong ko, nandiyan ba kayo bukas, Doc? Wala po ako bukas. Si Doktora Mia Labrador ang duty bukas sa yan, ha? Punta po kayo.
May nag-text sa akin, Doc, marami siyang tanong tungkol sa mga nabanggit nyo. Si Kuya Bonnie, kasi nagda-drive to papuntang norte, mahaba-habang drive kaya nakikinig sa atin habang nagmamaneho. Sabi niya, mahal daw ba ang pa-eye correction? Isa sa mga tanong niya. Tapos sabi niya, bibili daw siya nung sinabi niyo na yung naka-lose weight sa inyo.
Ano yun?
Yung ininom niyo na...
yung Garcinia?
Yeah. Saan daw ba available yung, Doc? Kasi magsa-summer na, kailangan daw niya
I see.
Si Kuya Bonnie.
You wanna wear that bathing suit you used to have 6 years ago. Mga 2-piece, ano? Probably I'll just text me her number and I'll just give you the number of doctor, yung friend ko kung saan ko kinuha.
Kung saan available.
Oo, yeah.
Or kung may time siya, since may sasakyan siya, kung mag-drop by siya sa Our Lady of Lords, pwede rin siyang magtanong sa inyo doon. Or
wala ako dyan
kailangan sa inyo talaga directly.
Usually nasa Pampanga. I'm not selling this. I'm just using it. I'm a user, not the pusher.
He's a user, not the pusher. So, Kuya Bonnie, save mo yung number ni Doc, ha?
I will give you, Kuya, kunin mo, 0920-90-99937. At isasend ko po sa inyo yung number nung aking kaibigan na pusher niyan.
Yan. Bigay ko rin sa inyo, Doc, yung number ni Kuya Bonnie. Ito, nandito sa akin.
Pero hindi siya illegal. Ano yan?
Tapos yung tanong niya, isang nasa tanong niya pa is yung kung mahal ba ang pa-eye correction at love at first sight daw ba? Pwede siya naka-contact lens?
What?
Niloko na tayo nito.
Paano?
Love at first sight, pwede raw siya naka-contact lens.
Pwede. In fact, kahit bulag, pwede. Once I saw a patient being escorted or being guided by a pretty young woman. And the guy was about 45 years old, blind, both eyes. Blind since birth.
Yeah.
I couldn't help but ask, anak niyo po ba? Kasi nagtataka ako paano siya nagkaanak na maganda Siguro maganda po yung nanay niya. Hindi ko na matiis Siguro maganda yung nanay niya. Alam mo, sabi nung girl, hindi po, mister ko po siya.
Oh.
And the girl was 27. I was amazed. Tapos nag-smile yung girl. Ano masasabi mo, Doc? Love is blind. Yeah. Sabi ko, I hope you don't mind. Pero how did you know each other? Well, yung girl daw, nagtrabaho minsan sa isang foundation at in her younger years. Then, kilala yung lalaki at she was on a rebound. From a recent relationship na. Then, here's this guy who was so opposite the guy he used to fall in love with, that he used to be in love with. And probably that's the reason.
That's the reason, most probably.
That only...
Opposite. He's opposite.
To show na totoo yung sinasabi ni Rico Puno na dalawa lang ang lalaki sa mundo. Yung gwapo at yung maswerte.
Gwapo at maswerte.
Saan ba tayo doon? Doon lang tayo sa maswerte.
Yeah. Yeah, I picked that too.
Kasi pag maswerte ka, gwapo ka na rin.
Yeah. Tapos yung sa eye correction daw, Doc, hindi naman mahal no? Lang.
Yung pinaka-least expensive is 25,000 pesos. Yung pinaka-mahal is 75,000.
Dahil yan, Doc, depende sa procedure na gagawin sa'yo?
Depende sa procedure, depende sa program na gagamitin. At ang pinaka-depende yun sa configuration and thickness ng iyong cornea, sa mata mo.
Kung ganong correction ang gagawin.
Yes, before the procedure is done, you'll be examined. Alamin muna.
Pero to si Kuya Bonnie, more than eye correction yata kailangan to, pati brain correction yata.
That is a major thing.
Oy, biro lang Kuya Bonnie. Ingat ka sa pagmamaneho mo, mahaba-haba yung biyahe mo, panorte siya no?
Ito sabi ni Rod, good morning, Doc. Regular listener ako. Gusto ko lang magparamdam. Rod, sige, paramdam. Careful nandiyan daw sa driving towards Manila. In a few while, sabi niya, ihina na ang signal. Okay, stay tuned lang. 89.5, My Subic Bay Radio. Juliet of Bataan, ask ko lang, ano ang minimum age for laser eye correction and maximum kasi I'm 39 and my daughter is 16. Mataas ang grade. Pareho kami tigti 300. Pwede kaming palitan ng salamin. Hindi ba masama yun? Ma'am Juliet, hindi naman masama. Kung magkagrado kayo ng grado, hindi sasakit ang ulo. Pero the minimum age for laser eye correction is 18 and up.
Minimum,
so,
18.
The patient should be physically and psychologically mature. Para why 18? Kasi more or less ang adult configuration ng mata ay na-attain mo na by age 18 Very minimal lang yung magiging change niya kung sakali. Kasi you're dealing with anatomy, you're going to what is the principle behind laser eye correction? In laser eye correction, you try to fine-tune the focus of the eye. You are trying to see images clearer. How do you fine-tune this? It's either you change the lens or you change the power of the cornea. How do you change the power of the cornea? By reshaping it.
Reshaping.
You reshape it. If it's too steep, you flatten it. If it's too flat, you steepen it.
Wow, that kind of sounds hard, very difficult to do.
I mean, but for the scientist,
you will reshape the cornea?
Yeah, and this technology is fantastic. We're talking about microns here.
Yeah. Imagine how small the cornea is.
How thin and how delicate.
Plus
and how fine.
Siyempre, yung parts pa niya, di ba? I-refine mo, i-flatten.
But because of good technology, and we're using, yung...
Nanotechnology?
Yeah. Yung natin precision talaga. Yung precision and accuracy of the machine we're using is fantastic. We've got 2 laser eye correction machines Bausch & Lomb, and the latest is Alcon, yung Allegretto ng Alcon. Yung magandang machine nila. So, you've got the best of both worlds. Kasi sa larangan ng paggawa ng excimer laser, nangunguna sa mundo, world is Bausch & Lomb and Allegretto.
Yeah. I've been hearing that brand name since I was a kid.
Yeah.
Bausch
and now
& Lomb.
we've got, kumbaga, nandyan yung Ferrari and nandyan yung kanilang
and they make lenses for world-class names, right? Like Ray-Ban.
So it's like the top of the line ng mga Ferrari lines. Kunyari, nasa Ferrari ka. Kukunin pa yung pinakamagandang modelo nila. So that's what we're using for the eyes. Why? We cannot go any lower because we're dealing with a very delicate part of the eye, which is the part of the human body, which is the eye. And,
only the best for it, syempre.
You deserve the best. Because kasi in my practice, I wanted to my patients what I would do to my own mother or to my own daughter.
That's good. Diba? Siyempre nga naman. And Doc, may nag-text din dito. Okay lang ba? Sabi niya, pasuyo naman kay Doc. May Facebook account daw po ba kayo that they wanna follow? Gusto lang i-follow yung inyong maybe a fan of yours.
Actually, I don't Facebook someone created a Facebook for me, but I'm not the one opening and closing that. So yung mga comments doon at saka yung mga post hindi sa akin.
So you have sort of like an administrator for that?
No, actually I didn't do it. Somebody just made it for me. So it's not mine,
You don't even know who did?
Just text me na lang 0920-90-99937. At sa awa ng Diyos naman, up to present, wala pang offensive na ginamit lang yung tawag ba ng poster? Yeah.
Someone created it for you, pero he or she's doing the right thing.
Wala akong access doon. Wala akong access doon. Pero somehow they're able to manage to get some pinopost of me. Pinopost doon. So I don't know how. Probably they tag it. May katag na kakilala ko yan. Pinopost nila doon. So maybe may kilalang family member or what, So, beware.
Is that kind of scary or?
It is. I'm sometimes on the edge kasi hindi ako nag-Facebook
Baka mamaya bigla na lang may...
So far naman, wala pa ako nakita offensive or something that is socially or physically threatening. Wala pa naman. Hopefully wala,
I guess doon sa nag-text, ang i-follow nyo na lang po is yung Facebook page ng Our Lady of Lourdes na lang. Ayan.
Ito naman
just look for it on Facebook. I-type nyo lang Our Lady of Lourdes.
Ganda ng pangalan niya. Marvel Lee. Marvel. Wave naman. Okay po, Marvel.
Parang Marvel Comics lang
Sabi niya, Doc Asko, are you the same person my mom is listening to? Singing Filipino songs Sunday night? The answer is yes. At DWBR.
You sing also?
Yes.
I thought you just play songs. You also sing pala. May gitarista kayo, Doc?
Meron doon, may gitarista doon si Kuya. Minsan I'll bring in some mga samples. Filipino songs yan eh.
Nice.
Pag Sunday, DWBR, hindi ako doktor doon. Ako po ay mga awit kasama ang mabuhay singers. Bakya mo neneng, luma at kupas na, ngunit may bakas pa.
Mga Filipino, ano talaga?
Mo sinta. Mga ganyan kinakanta namin doon. Di ba?
Doc, naikanta nyo na ba minsan yung pupunta ako sa kubeta.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa narinig.
Susunod ka na, mayapa.
Hindi pa narinig yun.
Here's another text, Doc. May tanong ko lang, sabi nung nag-text. Ano ba ang katotohanan sa pag naninilip daw ay nagkakakuliti o wala naman itong koneksyon?
Walang connection. But, after some time, na-discover ko meron din. Kapag
Meron din
sumisilip at marumi yung pinagdidikitan ng...
Ayun!
Pwede kayo magkakuliti. Because
There you go.
Source po ng kuliti is bacteria. Ang cause ng kuliti is bacteria. Usually, Staphylococcus aureus at Staphylococcus epidermidis. Ito po ay Streptococcus aureus din. Yan po ay kapag may hinang resistance ninyo, you're immunocompromised, madali kang magkaroon yan. Madali kang tubuan ng
kuliti.
Si Jelly. Jelly is asking, meron ba kayong position for a personal assistant? I would like to be your assistant if possible. So, yeah, why don't you... I'm a graduate of HR and minor in tourism. I can go around. Jelly, you pass your resume para Si Francis is asking, tell me more about that music station. It's DWBR 104.3 FM, sister station of 89.5.
Under ng PBS.
Yes, Philippine Broadcasting Service.
Yeah.
So, it's 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. every Sunday. I think malakas pa naman yung signal hanggang dito. Every Saturdays, may show din ako sa DZRH naman, 6:30 to 7:30. That's RH TV. So, you can see me. You can watch me there. At meron din sa Saturday night, CLTV 36. Pag Friday morning, meron ako sa CLTV 36 or 99 RW. 95, RW 95.1 FM.
95 Yeah.
That's
RW
Pampanga.
95.1, yeah.
Ano yun? Fridays at 8 a.m.
Okay.
So, pag Sundays, meron din akong 10:30 to 12. So, DZAS, it's a Christian radio station.
Dami, Doc, ha?
Hindi ako doktor doon. Ako ay Kuya Noel lang. Nagbibigay ng payo, mga problemang pag-ibig, relationships, and what. Yan,
I guess kaya siguro may nag-aas na gusto i-follow ka on Facebook dahil hindi naman sa ulo lahat yung mo, ang dami. Baka yun yung reason para makita yun.
That's one. Sige, yung schedules natin.
Yung schedules yan,
At pag Mondays, sa DZWB.
Yeah.
With Emro sa, tawag dito? Super Kaluso.
DZWB.
Yeah, that's
so,
GMA 7.
You travel a lot, Doc.
Yeah.
You're always on the move.
So, we're all over the place. Okay,
And sabi nung nagtanong tungkol sa kuliti, salamat daw. Ngayon, alam niya na, lilinisin niya lagi yung butas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Mirna Proseso is asking, Doc, safe bang gamitin panglinis yung may brand ng binanggit, Skinol at saka alcohol para malinis ang paligid ng eyes ng aking junior dahil lagi siya nagkakaroon ng kuliti. Lukso-lukso, kanan, kaliwa. Nakaapat na. Every summer meron siyang kuliti. Ang tawag dito sa amin, sa Lubao, asyag. Sa Taga-Lubao sila.
Kabalen.
Kabalen, Asyag is kuliti nga. Infection po yan. So dapat po
Malukso-lukso eh. Athletic yung kuliti.
Ito po yung aking payo dyan. Make sure na si Junior bago matulog ay maghilamos. Hindi ho masama maligo sa gabi. Hindi masama maghilamos sa gabi. Ha? Anuhin po. Paliguan mabuti. Laging at dalhin nyo sa pinakamalapit na eye doctor para mabigyan po ng gamot. Na para maiwasan din yan. Bibigyan kayo ng advice. At yung bata, laging magwawash ng kamay palagi.
Gusto ko yung in-emphasize nyo, Doc, yung yung hindi bawal maligo sa gabi, hindi walang masama kung maligo sa gabi. alam niyo naman, yung mga lumang kasabihan, bawal daw maligo sa gabi. Kasabihan lang yun. No scientific basis for it. Yeah.
Ito sabi ni, Doc, mahilig ako mag-alaga ng dog. Sabi ng aking pedya, ito raw ang nagiging sanhi ng pagbahin at pag-allergy ng anak ko at pati pamamaga ng paligid ng eyes. How true? Kasi ayoko namang mawalay sa mga alaga kong princess. Princess yung mga aso niya. Ano kaya yun? Siguro mga sityo maliliit yun. Dorothy.
Allergic maybe?
Dorothy, yeah. Pwede manggaling sa mga yung allergies eh. Pero ang number one cause ng allergies are house dust mites na nakatira sa carpet ng bahay or sa mga ali-alikabok sa bahay.
Even sa bed sheets, no, Doc?
Yes. Ang house dust mites, ito yung maliliit na pag tinignan mo sa microscope, para mga alimango o ang itsura. Or parang monster na maliliit na may pangil. Na ang kinakain niyan ay yung human sheddings, yung epithelial cells natin. Kasi as we speak, as we walk around, nalalaglag yung surface skin natin. That's why
nagsished tayo ng skin.
This is the reason why natatrack tayo ng mga hounds eh. Kunyari, ikaw ay tumakas sa isang prisoner, sa isang preso, sa isang prison.
Ipapaamoy sa hound.
Ipapaamoy yung
anything na ginamit mo or hinawakan.
Anything na merong epithelial cells ka doon. At ito ay mariregister sa utak ng hound, ng aso, at hahabulin ka. You will be hunted by a hound dog like a hound.
Like a hound dog. You will be hunted by a hound like a hound dog.
Like a hound. By a hound dog, ha?
Yung sense of smell nila is 1,000 times stronger than humans, no, Doc?
Dumidikit sa memory. And they, alam mo ba, dogs identify you.
Through smell. Kaya pala sabi nila, bago mo hawakan or like you're a stranger to paamoy mo muna yung kamay mo, parang gano'n. Sabi ng mga dog experts.
Amoy ng kamay. Delicious. Bite.
Humawak ng hotdog. Nag-ihaw.
Amoy hotdog.
Kaya pala bite agad minsan pag...
Nag-ihaw or...
Nag-ihaw.
Nag-ii. Salamat, Francis. Thank you. Comment ni Francis. You sound good on air, Doc. Maraming salamat. Actually, it's the microphone. I think this is a Shure microphone. Ano ba to? Shure ba to? Yeah, and it's the sound system of 89.5.
Nagpapahambol lang si Doc. Kaya nga maraming radio program yun eh.
Nataon lang po. Thank you, Francis. They always listen with the wife daw. Hello, Miss Cathy. Greet my wife, Cathy. Yan. Hello
Cathy, po sa inyo.
Pinapag-greet ka ng iyong husband. Na miss ka na. Nakasama mo ngayon. Ayan, Doc, ang pagpupuyat po, can it affect my vision? Because sometimes, napansin ko, pag kulang ako sa sleep, when I drive, things are blurry. The answer is yes. If you're kulang sa sleep, if you're tired and weary, if you're stressed out, yes, sometimes things get blurry. Doc, anong ibig sabihin ng nagdilim ang paningin at nanununtok? Kasi yung BF ko, sinapak yung headboard ng bed namin at nawasak. Sabi niya, nagdilim ang paningin niya. Ngayon, namamaga ang kamay.
Nagdilim yung paningin?
No, idiomatic expression yun eh. Pag nagagalit kasi yung tao, rage, ika nga, ang tingin niya, nagnanarong. Nawawala yung peripheral vision, kundi nagko-concentrate lang to a small portion sa gitna na.
Parang nagkakaroon ng tapalodo kung tawagin. Yes. Parang gano'n.
Ang nagdidilim, yung judgment, hindi yung paningin. So, yun.
Okay.
So, kung ganyan ang ganyan at yung boyfriend mo, don't get in the way between your boyfriend's fist and the headboard. Wag, you'll get hurt.
Iwas.
Ang pangalan pa naman niya ay si Honey. Maraming salamat, Honey. Doc, send ako resume. Sure, yeah. Ang kung is Our Lady of Lourdes International Medical Center, OLLIMC@yahoo.com. At ito pa, yung mga doctors na kaibigan natin na nagse-celebrate ng birthday. March 20 is Dr. Luella Aquino, isa siyang obstetrician gynecologist, at si Dr. Carlos Velches. So, ayan. Ito naman nagtanong, Doc, we heard not working daw yung CT scan ng Lourdes. Yeah, it's under maintenance po. Yeah, the MRI is already being installed. Nasa testing stage na ngayon, na power up na. And they say it will be the best MRI in the region. Sabi nila, ha? Sabi ng supplier, siyempre. Supplier nagsabi. Doc, help naman. I would want to continue my studies pero need ko ang part-time job. Can you offer me something like 3 times a week work that could help me go through? I could be your personal assistant or secretary. Mendy, watching you now. Ganda rin. Watching you now. Hello.
Watching you now.
Send ko Viber pics for you. Okay. Sige, go ahead. Oh. Sumali daw siya sa...
Yan din ba yung dating Viber pics na?
Let's see. Sumali daw siya... Dati raw siyang contender sa Bikini Open sa Subic before. SMB? Meron mga... SMB Bikini Open.
The beer
okay.
brand.
The beer company.
Sila yung sponsor of the Bikini Open.
You must be someone na pwedeng maging summer model. Kasi Bikini Open eh. Dati nanood ako ng Bikini Open. I was expecting naka-open yung mga ano.
Yeah. I was kinda hoping too.
Ibig ko lang sabihin ng open is open to everyone.
Yeah. Pag may ina-announce nga kami, Doc, whenever there's Bikini Open.
You always attend them, di ba? You always join. I mean, you're invited to host.
Sometimes we even judge. We're being invited to judge.
Have you ever,
I decline.
Have you ever joined one?
No. I never joined one. But whenever I'm asked to judge, I decline.
Why?
I will make them all winners. I will not be a good judge.
Ako, I decline because I'm not judgmental eh.
You have a better excuse than me. Your excuse is better. I'd like to greet si Pastor Gary. He's into solar, and si Kuya Ben. I've met them recently. Lagi silang nakikinig sa atin. Sabi nyo, may nag-text sa akin. Good morning, Doc, gising na. Si Bok ito eh, kanina pang 5:30 to. Sabi ni, Doc, thank you for, yan. Ito maganda to. Thank you for helping me restore my sight again. I was the teacher you operated last week and now enjoying the view again. You brought back the color in my life. In my weak and final years, you make life more beautiful and colorful. I love you, Doc. Mama. Nice.
Mami Rosa. Mami Rosa, magandang umaga, and I'm very happy for your comment. Teachers, when they have eye problems and kailangan ma-opera, I do not charge them professional fees. It's my...
Teachers, retired or not?
Even
Kahit
active.
Yeah. Even
if
active.
they need the eye surgery, at kaya kong gawin, I'll do it, and I'm gonna help them, okay?
They just need to show, papers. Of course, syempre naman, that they're really teachers and,
Actually, I don't ask anymore eh.
You don't really...
Basta sinabi lang, I believe when they say so. Kasi, the fact that they trust me, I should give them the benefit of the doubt. I should trust them too. Okay? So, Mami Rosa, maraming salamat and enjoy the view. Yes. Ito, tanong niya ako.
That's awesome.
Pwede raw bang pakiusap din yung kanyang ate na mas matanda pero hindi naman guro. Sige, tulungan na rin natin. Extend natin. Teacher naman kayo. Okay po. Just magsabi lang po kayo.
That's nice.
Keep my number 0920-90-99997. Okay.
Alright. May nagtanong sa akin, Doc, sabing ganun, yung Doc nyo na every Thursday, siya rin ba yung doctor na binabati lagi nila Tito Sen, nila Jimmy Santos?
Yes,
Tapos kapag daw nagsugod bahay sila, tapos there's somebody in the house na may eye problem, sabi kagad ni Tito Sen, i-refer natin yan kay
Dr. Husay. Nadadala nila and tinutulungan nila talaga. Service deluxe talagang ginagawa nila.
The answer po doon is, yes, siya po yun. Wala nang iba.
Husay, kasi kanya, ang tawag sa akin naman yung Husay eh. Because Husay is my middle name. Kanya lang nakalakihan ko na yun. Minsan nga nasa airport kami.
Meaning your mom is family husay talaga.
J-U-S-A-Y. So, I have to make good. Kanya nung maliit ako, sabi, husay mo ha, sabi ng teacher ko. Husay is my middle name.
Yeah.
So sabi na ko, don't fail me.
Yeah. That's kind of hard, Doc, no? You really have to live up to your name. Husay.
Sometimes, when I was in grade 2, I was very naughty. At least, sabi ng teacher, mahusay ka sa kalokohan. At least mahusay ako.
Imagine if you're gonna fail, sasabihin sa'yo, husay ka tapos you failed. Hindi bagay.
Dapat palpak na lang, di ba?
Hindi bagay, kaya you really have to live up to it.
Yeah. You know, we're having so much fun here, but it's time to go. And pansamantalang magpapaalam muna kami ngayon until next Thursday. Same time, same frequency dito sa Konsulta Pang Medisina. Ito po ang inyong doktor. Pansamantalang nagpupugay sa inyo na magandang araw. Dr. Noel Husay Laksamana. Salamat po.
Good morning.
God bless po.
And yung mga ibang text na hindi ko na po nabasa, pagbalik na lang ni Doc Noel ulit next week. Pasensya na, dami.
Yeah, 0920-990-99937. Kahit off the air, we'll try to answer them. Salamat po.
Alright, good morning.
89.5
My Super Bay Radio.
Worldwide.
Consulta Pang Medicina. Consulta Pang Medicina.
Is brought to you by
Our Lady of Lourdes
International Medical Center.
Subic
with the best music mix that keeps you riveted to your radio. This is PBS, the Philippine Broadcasting Service, jointly owned and operated by the national government and Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. This is where you find news and entertainment with a wide variety of music. 89.5 FM, My Subic Bay Radio.
Subic Bay 3.2. Subic Bay.